A while back, I picked up the WEN PL1337 benchtop planer. Before I post a review, I wanted your input on what to test and how to test it. Let's make it a real world test, not a brochure review. So, why did I choose the WEN over other options like the DeWalt 735 or 734? See, I owned a 735 for a couple of days, but the snipe was just so horrible that I returned it and bought a 734 and put some cash back in my pocket. And I was just much happier with it. The snipe was basically nothing because I had that snipe lock mechanism. And I kept that planer for several years before selling it to a friend of mine. So I needed another affordable benchtop planer. This time I wanted a segmented or spiral cutter head, no more straight knives for me. I planned to use some figured woods and I don't want the tear out from straight knives. I also wanted a planer that would remove significant material in one pass. Straight knife planers require like a million passes when this one advertised an eighth inch depth of cut. Plus, it has a 2-speed feed rate for roughing and final finish. I researched based on price versus reviews, and I bought this WEN PL1337 because I decided it was the best choice for my hobby slash artisan woodworking based on the size of the projects I plan to do and the duty cycle that I'm likely to use it at. I really don't need an industrial planer to run 12 hours a day for 20 years. Also, I just can't justify the floor space required for a huge planer. The reviews were excellent everywhere I read them, so I bought it on sale from Lowe's, used my Lowe's card for 5% additional discount. So far in my limited use, I'm impressed. The cut you saw me make in the intro was a full 1/8 inch cut on slow feed rate, and it looks absolutely flawless when held up to raking light. So leave me a comment below about the testing that you want to see in the full review. Thanks for watching.